seen it all the beauty, all the experience. But there is more. Dream big, with a plethora of opportunities. Live in harmony, and relish the seamless integration of natural beauty and modern conveniences. Asterra, a place to aspire, a place that inspires, and ultimately, a place where your life is meant to shine. Thrive well in a community that commits to sustainability and preservation. A sanctuary that lets you enjoy the finer things in life. With a refreshing dip and swim. Where kids are kept safe while they play. Where you can connect and foster lasting relationships. Let your best self glow when you immerse in idyllic living within rustic communities. Enhanced by the swift mobility of infrastructure. Enjoy impeccable lifestyle experiences where modern living is made possible in the midst of suburban charm. Take pride, not only in where, but how you live. A balanced life that enhances one's way of living and overall value. An investment not only for the future, but an investment in you. Shine the brightest when you live your best life at Asterra. Built for you.